might be the one that truly get me, and I might be the one you really want, and I feel it too, but you don't know what I've been going through.
Hi loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unit for you guys, and I am so mad at myself that I did not do the stocking cap method with this unit, you guys. I did not know it was going to be this bomb, and I messed up my parting area if you guys seen that in the beginning. But this unit is from RPGSHOW. She's a wavy unit, and her name is Selena001, and she is the natural hair color. She is 13 inches long, and this is a silky texture unit. She's 200 density, so she's nice and full, and I got her in the cap construction B in the size 1. So this is what their units look like. As you guys can see, it is so much parting space, okay? Like, it's almost a full lace unit, you guys, and this is how all of RPGSHOW units are. So this unit is pre-plucked, and it's not pre-bleached, but their knots are super fine. So if you're scared to do that, you could totally just use a foundation or that Sally Hansen leg spray, and you will be totally fine. Sorry. Oh yeah, so this is what the unit is looking like on before I do anything to it. I'm gonna go ahead and do this part so I can show you guys, like, if you're one of them girls that love that long middle part or like a long swoop part, then this unit is for you. Like, so much parting space. So I went ahead and I washed the unit, I bleached the knots, and I plucked it a little bit more just to get it to my liking. Again, you guys know that is not necessary with RPGSHOW wigs because you've seen that hairline in the beginning. So I'm just showing you guys what the unit looks like soaking wet, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this Bioterra leave-in and just spray this all over the unit. And because this is a wavy unit, like, and it's a silky texture, you don't need that much for it to hold its curl. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this leave-in, or a lot of this leave-in, and then I'm going to go in with the Shea Moisture coconut and hibiscus line, their curl mousse. Once I have both products in, I'm just going to use my Denman brush to rake everything through, and I kind of use it as a curler, like a curling iron. So when I comb the hair through, I just twist it a bit, and it creates like these nice big loopy curls.
You might be the one that truly get me.
And I just like to scrunch up the bottom with a little bit more of the mousse, just so that, just to help the curls form or the waves form.
You don't know what I've been going through. This is when you tell me that you're different.
Going for the no baby hair look with this unit, so I just take a little bit of this Lotta Body foam, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it along the hairline, smooth it in with the toothbrush, and then tie it down for about 5 or 10 minutes.
Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame. Alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight.
So I should have let it air dry because the curls would have came out really cute, but I got like antsy and I decided to diffuse it, and I messed up my perfectly good curls that I had made. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this little tiny wand and just randomly grab a few random pieces of hair and just curl certain sections, and then I just kind of raked it out with my hand.
But I'm moving on. I just have to make sure that you know.
I ended up cutting a few pieces in the front just so that it will fall a little bit better with my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and speed through the part of me putting the unit on. If you guys want a detailed video of how I apply my units, I'll go ahead and leave some helpful videos down below for you guys.
And maybe you don't know for sure, but you can start a fire without a speed. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame. Alright. Forget what I told you, forget all about that tonight. Just remember the flame, you remember the flame. Forget what
So I went ahead and tied the unit down for a couple of minutes just to make sure it was completely set in. And y'all, this was at like 12 o'clock at night. If you follow me on Snapchat, you know. So my eyelash is hanging on for dear life. So please excuse that eyelash. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the sides of it just to create a few like of the little sideburn shorter pieces. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my foundation powder. This one is from Sephora in the color Golden Almond. It's the one I always use. And just kind of go over the parting area and the hairline area just a bit. Because this hairline looks so good, I didn't have to add too much of the powder to the hairline, just mainly to the part. And I'm so mad. I told you guys in the beginning, like, I didn't do the stocking cap method because my wig cap slid back further than it usually does, or that I usually like it. I think I've actually pushed it back too far, and you can kind of see it, like, oh my gosh, I thought it was so cute for like 3 days, you guys, until I sat down to edit this video, and I'm looking at this part like, I can't believe I did that to myself, but the hairline looked so bomb. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.